There's a problem in the RV world that no one wants to talk about. A problem that ruins family vacations, empties bank accounts, and breaks trust before the first camping trip.
We've seen families in tears. We've seen people say, we never should have bought this thing. We've even seen folks give up on the RV lifestyle completely, and that absolutely breaks our heart.
But it doesn't have to be that way. Today we're flipping the script on something that the RV industry doesn't always love, but RV owners desperately need. Can you relate?
Here's the truth. Dealerships want happy customers. Manufacturers want proud owners, and RV buyers, they just want to make memories without drama.
Nobody's buying an RV thinking, well, I hope this thing lives in the repair shop forever, for months, for weeks.
We all actually want the same outcome. Smiles at delivery, not stress tears in the service bay.
RVs are built by humans, not magical quality control unicorns. Stuff happens.
Production gets rushed, parts don't arrive, something rattles loose, dealers' PDI are drowning. Yeah, right.
PDI?
Yeah.
Probably didn't inspect. We get it. Truly, the best companies don't pretend everything is perfect.
They listen, they improve. They take accountability, and they step up.
When issues aren't caught early, the families pay the price.
Trips get canceled, plan gets ruined, trust gets shattered, and sometimes marriages get a little tense.
Ask us how we know? We never want anyone to realize halfway across the country that their dream rig came with secrets.
So here's the twist that nobody expects.
The people, the industry sometimes side eyes, they're actually the people that want to help you. They want to help save good deals, protect families, and keep RV dreams alive.
We are not villains. We are not deal breakers. We don't roll up with pitchforks.
Yeah, but we do, with flashlights, checklists, and a deep care and desire for you not to spend your vacation in the nearest RV repair shop. RV inspectors are partners, not enemies.
We are the extra set of trained eyes, the calm voice before the panic, the let's fix this before it breaks your heart team.
Are you ready to become an RV inspector, or are you already an RV inspector? Are you ready to bring your skills to the next level?
This is a lot of work, but it's well worth it.
Fine-tune your current inspections.
Protect, serve, and thrive with our Blue Ox endorsed workshops.
If you're on the fence thinking about doing something like this, I would highly recommend this course.
We're seeking people with integrity, those who value protecting RV buyers from an unregulated industry.
Ready to enhance your skills and elevate your business?
It is a lot of work. You can do it. We can do it.
Yep.
We will do it. We will complete it. And you will too.
Get the education no other school offers. This is the workshop for you. Visit our website to contact us to reserve your spot today. And when we, RV inspectors, work with dealerships, that's when magic happens.
Customers relax, repairs get prioritized, and trust grows instead of cracks.
And when manufacturers listen, they get better, they build better, and they become leaders. Let's celebrate the good guys. Now we want to hear from you. In the comments, we want your real story.
Have you ever bought an RV and discovered surprises after the sale?
Or did you actually work with a dealership or a manufacturer that truly stepped up and took good care of you?
Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might help someone else protect their dream. There are great dealerships who welcome accountability. There are manufacturers working hard to improve.
We love them, we respect them, and we'll gladly brag about them.
Especially if they offer coffee and maybe donuts. We don't bring the donuts, they offer donuts. There's a big difference.
We're highly motivated by snacks, aren't we? This isn't about picking fights with the RV world.
It's about protecting families, protecting investment and memories.
Because RV life should be joyful, exciting, and worth every mile.
Not filled with repair tickets, frustration, and regrets.
But remember, And do never forget.
It's about the destination. It's all about the party.